This amazing Brentwood FSW with media floor plan from First Texas Homes is located in the new community of Springview Estates in Frisco, Texas. It's a 5-bedroom, 4-bath, 2-car garage floor plan that offers 4,369 square feet of luxury to suit your family's needs. This eye-catching 2-story home plan features brick and stone masonry and an extended covered front porch that offers amazing curb appeal. As you pass through the beautiful custom 8-foot door into the foyer, you'll find an elegant formal living and dining room with tray ceilings, double crown molding, and large beautiful windows perfect for entertaining on special family occasions. Across the foyer is the private study, featuring French doors, wainscoting wall treatment, and large windows with window seating, making this a perfect home office. Also, adjacent from the private study, you'll find a full powder bath with shower and custom tile. The chef's dream kitchen showcases a center island with marble quartz countertops, 42-inch shaker-style cabinets with upgraded upper cabinet, shown here with our unique in-lighting and glass front door selections, built-in stainless steel double oven, microwave, 5-burner gas cooktop with decorative backsplash, a spacious butler's pantry, a walk-in pantry with upgraded glass front door, and the adjacent breakfast nook. The perfect space for an afternoon snack is bathed in natural light. The family room is where you'll find our most popular upgrades, including a beautiful spiral staircase, an overlooking balcony, marvelous high ceilings with ceiling fan, large beautiful windows, pre-wiring for surround sound, and a stunning floor-to-ceiling quartzite fireplace. The private master suite features tray ceilings with a ceiling fan, double crown molding, and a cozy reading area with bay windows looking out onto the backyard. The master bath features split vanities with makeup area, a deep relaxing garden tub, a massive walk-in shower with seamless glass enclosure, dual shower heads and custom tiles, and a large master closet. Upstairs, you'll find the game room with surround sound wiring and plenty of space for the kids to relax, study, or hang out with friends. And the media room has vaulted ceilings, upgraded lighting, a wet bar with cabinets, a large closet, and pre-wiring for projection and surround sound, making it perfect for movie night. 4 additional secondary bedrooms with vaulted ceilings and large closets, a Jack and Jill bathroom, and another full bath complete the second floor. This Brentwood floor plan also includes a covered patio with outdoor speaker wiring, and a huge backyard with plenty of room for entertaining family and friends. This magnificent Brentwood FSW with media floor plan is now available to be built in the community of Springview Estates in Frisco, Texas. Call or visit First Texas Homes to find out more about building the Brentwood FSW floor plan or purchasing one of our move-in ready homes. When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you'll receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are so confident in our low rates, if we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.